In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retouch in the Lightroom mobile app. By the end, you'll be able to clean up blemishes, stray distractions, and polish portraits right from your phone while keeping everything looking natural. Start by launching Lightroom on your mobile device. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so your edits can sync. Once you're in, pick a photo from your library that could use a little cleanup. Tap the thumbnail to open it. A higher resolution image will give you the most flexible results, but any clear photo will do. Now look along the bottom toolbar and tap the Remove tool. This is where you'll do spot fixes. On the left side, choose your brush mode. Heal is ideal for skin blemishes, stray hairs, and small dust spots because it automatically blends texture and lighting for you. Clone is better when you need an exact copy of a nearby area, like extending a clean wall or covering a mark on a flat background. Zoom in closely on the area you want to fix, then adjust the brush size so it's just slightly larger than the blemish. Tap once for tiny spots or paint gently over longer distractions like hairs. Keep your strokes small and controlled. It's easier to build up than to undo big swipes. If Lightroom chooses a poor source patch and the result looks off, drag the secondary circle to a cleaner area with matching texture and tone. Nudge it until the edges blend naturally, then tap the check mark to confirm the change. Repeat as needed on other problem areas. When your spot cleanup looks good, open the Actions menu and tap Retouch. Here you can choose what you want Lightroom to refine: blemishes, skin, hair, or clothing. Pick the option that matches your goal. Blemishes gives quick touch-ups for remaining imperfections. Skin smooths texture while trying to keep pores and details intact. Hair helps tidy flyaways without flattening everything. Clothing reduces wrinkles and small fabric distractions. After you choose a category, a slider appears to control intensity. Start low and move to the right until it looks clean but believable. Subtlety is key. Over-smoothing can make faces look plastic or fabrics unnatural. Zoom out occasionally to judge the whole image, then zoom back in to refine. When you're happy with the results, tap the check icon to save. Lightroom saves edits non-destructively, so you can always revisit the file and tweak settings later. That's it, simple, controlled retouching right on your phone with a natural finish that still looks like you shot it that way.